Welcome to the world of mental models, a fascinating toolset for personal growth. Picture this. Mental models are like maps of reality, providing us with simplified representations of complex processes or phenomena. They are the lenses through which we perceive and interpret our world, guiding our thoughts, decisions, and actions. In the context of personal growth, mental models become even more intriguing. They serve as powerful tools for self-improvement, helping us navigate life's challenges more effectively and fostering our ability to adapt and thrive in a constantly changing world. From shaping our mindset to influencing our behaviors, these models can have transformative effects on our personal and professional lives. They enable us to understand our world better, make smarter decisions, and ultimately lead more fulfilling lives. So, are you intrigued yet? Ready to see how these models can lead to significant improvements in your life? First on our list is the growth mindset, a powerful concept that can reshape the way you approach challenges. This intriguing idea was conceived by psychologist Carol Dweck, who taught us that our abilities and intelligence are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication and hard work. The growth mindset isn't about merely putting in the effort, it's about embracing the hurdles that come our way and learning from each stumble. Let's say you're learning a new language. Adopting a growth mindset means that every mistake you make isn't a setback but a stepping stone on the path to fluency. This mindset encourages resilience, promotes a love for learning, and arms you with the confidence to tackle challenges head-on. So the next time you face a daunting task, remember to embrace the growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and watch your abilities soar. Next up is the compound interest of self-improvement, a model that emphasizes the power of small, consistent efforts. Think of it like a savings account for your personal growth. Just as pennies invested can grow into a fortune over time, so too can small daily improvements compound into significant personal transformations. Let's picture this. You decide to read 10 pages of a book every day. It might not seem much at first, but over the course of a year, you'd have consumed over 3,600 pages. That's roughly 10 to 12 substantial books. Or consider the impact of cutting out just 10 minutes of social media scrolling daily, and instead dedicating that time to mindful meditation. The effect on your mental health and productivity, when compounded over months and years, can be profound. It's all about understanding that slow and steady really does win the race in the realm of personal growth. Remember, small improvements, when compounded over time, can lead to enormous growth. Let's delve into second-order thinking, a strategic model that encourages foresight. This method pushes us beyond the immediate consequences of our actions, urging us to consider the subsequent waves of effects. It's like playing chess, anticipating the opponent's moves before making your own. Consider this. You're thinking about investing in an advanced professional course. The immediate effect, a dent in your current finances. But hold on, let's engage in second-order thinking. Yes, you might have to tighten your belt now, but the skills you acquire could open doors to a better job and higher income in the future. Another example, choosing to read a book over watching a movie. The immediate result is gaining knowledge, but the second-order effect could be improved vocabulary, better conversational skills, and a broader perspective. Always consider the subsequent effects of your actions for strategic decision-making. Second-order thinking is a powerful tool for navigating life's complexities with foresight and wisdom. Lastly, we'll explore two dynamic models, inversion and the OODA loop. Let's start with inversion. This intriguing model encourages you to turn your viewpoint upside down, as it were. Instead of fixating solely on how to reach your goals, it prompts you to ponder what could stop you from achieving them. It's about identifying potential obstacles and strategizing ways to avoid them. For example, if you're battling with procrastination, using the inversion model might lead you to set firm deadlines or create accountability measures to counteract this habit. It's a proactive way of addressing challenges before they become roadblocks on your path to personal growth. Then we have the OODA loop, which stands for Observe, Orient, Decide and Act. This model was brought to light by military strategist John Boyd, and is all about remaining adaptable and making swift, effective decisions under pressure. Let's break it down. Observe means staying alert to changes in your environment. Orient involves understanding these changes and how they might affect you. Decide is about choosing your course of action based on this understanding. And act, of course, is putting your decision into motion. In the context of personal growth, you can use the OODA loop to navigate dynamic situations. Suppose you've started a new job and find the workload overwhelming. You might observe that you're struggling to manage your time effectively. Orient yourself by recognizing that better time management skills could alleviate your stress. Decide to seek out resources or training to improve these skills. And finally, act by putting your new strategies into practice. The beauty of the OODA loop is its cyclical nature. Once you've acted, you start observing again, constantly adapting to keep up with ever-changing circumstances. It's a model of continuous learning and improvement. By flipping your perspective and staying flexible, you can overcome obstacles and make effective decisions. From inversion to the OODA loop, these models offer dynamic approaches to personal growth, empowering you to navigate life's complexities with agility and insight. So, there you have it, transformative mental models for accelerating personal growth. We've journeyed through the growth mindset, which champions resilience and learning from failures. We've delved into the compound interest of self-improvement, highlighting how small, consistent improvements can lead to substantial growth over time. We've navigated the complexities of second-order thinking, encouraging foresight and strategic decision-making for long-term benefits. We've flipped perspectives with inversion, focusing on preemptive strategies to overcome potential obstacles. Finally, we've embraced the agility of the OODA loop, promoting quick, effective decision-making in dynamic situations. Each of these models offers a unique lens through which to view challenges and opportunities. They arm you with diverse strategies, foster resilience, and nurture continuous improvement. Start integrating these models into your daily routines and witness the transformative effects on your personal growth trajectory. Thank you for watching.